Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off the option Lift to Wake screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. We have to go to Settings, then Advanced Features, and in Motions and Gestures we have a Lift to Wake option. Right now it's turned on. What does it do? Exactly what it sounds like. So turn on the screen when you pick up your phone. To turn off this option, we simply tap it once and now it's turn off. That's basically it. Let's see if it's working. So turn off our screen, lift phone, it does not turn on, our screen is off. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.